Stewart's?
Stewart's.
Not the Matazonis?
Not the Matazonis. Matazonis we know. Not getting anything below 4.
Well, where are the stores then? I thought he lived like
Park.
in Ocean Park.
Right next to,
Down by Pico?
yeah, wherever, really close to the Ketterings.
Ketterings?
Yeah.
I thought they lived closer to Eddie. They live closer to SMC then, huh?
Yeah. Okay, 4 bedroom, 4 bath, 3.5. We can live in walking distance from Enterprise Fish Company for... What the hell's wrong with you people? For 3.5. Six bed, 3 bath.
What the fucking traffic.
I know, yeah.
I mean, I guess you could walk everywhere, but still, it's just stressful. What the fucking traffic. The only way I could justify this kind of traffic is living right. He's got my pants, almost.
Almost?
To me, we'd have to live right on the water.
Yeah.
What were we trying to point out?
And even then, it's crowded beaches. We're gonna get.
What about on the peninsula here in Marina?
Yeah, I mean, it's quiet and you can get
No,
into
look it up.
town.
God.
Oh.
I just think all the time you've wasted away. All the time you wasted.
10 million.
What is he cutting?
3.5. Glass gallery. Four bed, 6 bath, 4,700, 3.5. 3.5 is on the peninsula. Okay.
Nice pants on. I didn't know they made wet pound sauce.
Right on the beach on the peninsula is 10 million.
$10 million right on the beach?
Yeah.
Is it nice? Like, for how much space?
6 bed, 6 bath, 4,000 square feet.
Okay.
I'd still rather the 12 million.
The one up by Eddie?
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe. I mean, at least this you can walk to places.
That's a good point.
And you can walk right on the sand. And there's no boardwalk, so it's not like Santa Monica and Venice where you have to share it with poor people.
That's true. It's shorter than your neighbor's house, though, so how's that going to make you feel?
Whatever, I'll put up a flagpole. We'll build Charlie's... Oh. Yeah, that wouldn't take much convincing for me.
We'll have to fight over it then. Maybe you live in this 10 million, I'll live in the 12 million, and then we'll see each other on the weekends.
Well, let's just tour each house. I love that $12 million house. It is stunning.
So our style, yes.
Yeah. And you wouldn't really have to go anywhere if we had that. Like,
Okay, how about this?
I mean, that little
We get
atrium
a
or
$3
courtyard
million
area is fucking beautiful.
We get a $3 million scraper down here, and we build that $12 million house for $1 million, and then it's only a $4 million house.
It'd be way more than $1 million to build that. That's a lot of custom work and specialty materials and a lot of straight up square footage.
Okay, here's a cute little 3.5.
To renovate my restaurant, remember that cost $400,000.
Oh yeah.
You're not building something like that for $1 million. You're looking probably at 2.5 to 3 at least.
Okay, then it's still a $6 million house versus a $12 million house.
Sure.
How about that cute little guy?
That's fun.
3.5 down here.
Okay.
Zero yard. There's some weird ass people. You see how weird ass they are?
Huh. How weird ass are they? Compared to all the shit we've seen in Miami.
These people probably moved from Miami. I mean, I like the brickwork and I like the greenery. So there's that. So if you're bringing in $60,000 a month, if you bring in $60,000 a month, Dan, we can afford a $3 million house. That's it.
Well, I mean, okay, so here's the other take on that, honestly. Like, you know, we start bringing in, you know, if I start bringing, like, again, if it takes off the way Paul says it is, you know, we're realistically looking at each of us, Paul and I both taking in about 12, 13, 15,000 a month relatively soon.
In like a year?
Yeah.
Okay.
And if we're taking in, or not a month, a week, I mean, if I'm taking in $10,000 a week.
Yes.
Right? That's
$40,000 a month. That's
right. But I'm not going to go and fucking blow every dollar we have on a house.
No. We're going to reinvest.
We're going to reinvest like a shit ton of it.
Yeah. We're going to move out of that house, but
Mm-hmm.
we're going to, maybe move into the 1.2 or 1.5, and then still reinvest. I know.
Right. But even with the 1.2,
by the time high school comes
1.5,
around or whatever, we can.
maybe.
Or
Well,
maybe
even
not.
before then. Like, if I'm bringing in $1 million a year,
Yeah.
right? Or even, that's $500,000 a year, right? $10,000 a week.
Yeah.
But that's even the next year. We're just going to keep trying to push it and grow it. So, I mean, he's fucking aggressive, and he's got a good idea of what he wants. Like I said, he knows where he is, he knows where the goal is, and where it's located. My job is to help get the roadmap in place.
Right.
And by my job, I mean our job.
Yes, I'm down with it very much being ours.
But yeah, if we get there to that point, you know, if we're working fucking 20 different jobs at the same time, and each one's paying us, you know, $20,000-$30,000 for our fee, and it's, you know, that's fucking $300,000 a month.
Yeah.
$300,000. If I take 100 and he takes 200,000 a month, and I'm fine with that. You know, we're making 1.2 million. Then fuck, and then we're constantly reinvesting all that shit and
Right.
living relatively lean.
Right.
I mean, now we own a couple. You know, we own a couple apartment complexes outright. You know, we just ring in rent all day long. You know, maybe own some commercial. We have some money in the stock market at just a straight 8%. Just keep doing it over and over and over and spending as little money as possible for the next, like, maybe 10 years. And then we can go take a house like that and pay for it in fucking cash.
Are we on Speedway or Pacific?
I think we're on Speedway. No, sorry, Speedway's the...
Oh, right, the little... Yeah. Okay, so it'll be on the right after West Wind, which is almost to the end.
So it's on Pacific?
It's off Pacific, and there's West Wind. First Credit Solutions, whatever the fuck that is.
God, it's between Pacific and Speedway.